Kickstart your child's AI learning this summer because AI is no longer the future, it's the new normal. Kids already use AI every day, from smart assistants to creative tools. So why not guide them to use it with purpose? Let's help them boost their academic performance and get closer to real-world applications that matter. At igebra.ai, we've designed a unique summer experience that blends curiosity, creativity, and future skills, all within a child-friendly schedule. Your child will explore 3 powerful domains. Whether your child loves creativity or problem-solving, our AI Edge and Coding 4 AI programs help them turn curiosity into real digital skills. AI Foundations, where they understand how machines learn, think, and make decisions. Generative AI, where they discover how AI creates images, videos, music, and more. Coding and AI, where they learn the basics of programming and how it connects to real AI tools. The program is specially designed for students from grade 4 to 8, with engaging 90-minute classes over 2 weeks, conducted 5 sessions per week from Monday to Friday. Not long camp hours, but just the right amount of structured learning, balanced with time to play, rest, and enjoy being a kid. Because summer should still feel like summer, and the future should still be fun to learn. igebra.ai Summer Program 2026. Program fee $199. Enroll now.